Hey guys, I'm going into Home Goods. I need to find some pet bowl replacements. So my dogs are Shih Tzus and they need flat bowls. They can't use the tall like metal bowls. They need like the little flat bowls so that they can get to their food. So I'm gonna go into Home Goods and see what they have. Guys, Home Goods still has Easter stuff. I'll show you. This is probably all they have left, but there's a topiary and some eggs, a little craft kit, some plushies. Oh, look at that cute Easter basket. How cute is that? And they have like little bunnies for $12.99. A little birdhouse. So they have Easter baskets that are already made. I mean, just a couple. They have a lot of summer items out. This is a set of dishes for $24.99. They have some grill cleaners, Cuisinart, yeah, grill cleaners for $4.99. They have dishes out. They have more dishes here and some pitchers. This one is $7.99. Oh, look at these beautiful cups. Green for $3.99 each. Guys, I'm not really shopping for my grandbaby, but look what I found. It's like a sand castle, silicone castle beach bucket set for 1-year-old and up. It's so cute. Let's see how much this is. Oh, it's only $9.99. These are new in because I didn't see these last time I was here. This one is $29.99. This one $29.99. This one, really cute. $24.99. Oh, look how cute this one is. It's like a little makeup case. Cotton candy, a cup, sours, a headband. This one is $39.99, but really cute if you haven't already made your basket. Okay guys, I have to find the pet bowls. I don't see any right here or here. Pet beds. Ooh, that one looks comfy. Okay, so I found the pet bowl aisle, and I think, see, these are for cats, but this is kind of the type of bowl that my dogs need. Oh, like this one. Kind of just flat like that. Because these, like these, or this one is too high. Oh, look at this one. That one's cute. It has a little heart on it. So this one or this one. I think I like this one better. Cute. This one is too small for my big dog, so I need to keep looking. This one is actually the perfect size, but it's still too thick. I need something like this one for the bigger dog, but this is a cat bowl. just got an acai bowl from Juice It Up. I've never gotten an acai bowl from Juice It Up. I usually go to Pepo Mello by my house, but I'm waiting for my nail technician. This has granola, pineapple, strawberry, almonds, banana, and honey, and the acai. If it were up to me, I would have less acai and more fruit, kind of like the Pepo Mello. It's a smaller bowl, and it's a equal amount of base to fruit, and so it's a good balance. But this one is like so much acai. I feel like I'm gonna be able to drink that base when I'm done with the fruit. So it's good, and it's kind of like the same price, but that's how I would prefer it. Done getting my nails done, and I came over to the mall, and I just needed to pick up some body sprays, but I got this robe that was on sale. It's really, really soft. I'll show you. So let me show you this robe. It's so soft. I know we're coming up into summer, but I thought I'd grab it anyways. It's really cute. It's not long, kind of short, and these were 5 for $40. And I got my nails done. They're finished. So now I'm just gonna run over to the grocery store and then head home.